there's not eggs in here. Okay, first, let's go. Yes, we have a million things to do in 5 minutes. I think I'm gonna have to take this white blazer off because white blazers and rainy days don't work. Okay, I have to get the sign, which is outside.
Let's go.
Where's my ring? Underneath my car.
Mine are too, so it's
My
fine.
ring just fell underneath my car, so now I have to like. Anyway, how you doing? Oh, I'll look at my.
Your ring fell on.
Not my wedding
I
ring.
was gonna
No,
say, oh my god,
no.
you need to get it tightened.
No, not my wedding ring. All right, I'll be back in a few. I'll get you the password.
Alright.
Okay, see you later.
Alright, bye. See you later.
Lock boxes, got the for sale sign, and then I have to wipe this off. Can't have a dirty for sale sign. Come on now. All right, let's go get this place ready for photos. Hello? Hi. How are you?
Good. What's up, man? I'm gonna move on this crap.
Okay.
It's just raining outside.
Yeah, it stopped the rain, but hope a blue sky in. Let's open these babies up. All right, they're all lock boxed up.
That's
To
not
go
going
into
anywhere.
there. Okay, that. We did it! On the market tomorrow, showing start on Saturday. All right, so we just finished meeting with the photographer and doing a little staging, getting the booties sign up, and we're gonna be putting this home on the market tomorrow, and showings will start on Saturday. And I'm excited. I'm excited for my clients. So hopefully we get a lot of offers, and they walk away with a lot more money than they planned on it. That's always my goal. Oh, gotta take this call.